Hello. Hey,
Can I help
man.
you?
Dude. You fucking bitch. Punk bitch.
Hello.
Yes. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Won't you quick call my number, would you please? Fuck you.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, my
Yeah, can I help
best
you?
friend. How are you, buddy?
I'm okay.
You want? Hello,
Who's calling?
Frank Garrett.
What?
This is Frank Garrett.
What can I help you with?
Hey, is your mama still got worms crawling out her pussy?
Hello. Can I help you?
Yeah, how you doing? My name is Chris. I'm from Boston. Where are you located?
We got guys all over the place. What can I help you with?
There's somebody playing games with the phone.
Yeah. There is.
Yeah.
They're doing it on the computer.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you have a
Okay.
good night.
Yeah, you're a dumb motherfucker.